Menehune Stacker writes, Happy Father's Day. Maybe one day you can talk about good stack diversification in precious metals. Thanks, Menehune Stacker. Just a quick update, guys. All the comments that I received for the giveaway video I am slowly working on, so I do appreciate your patience. I will try to get to every single one of them. Today we're going to talk about Menehune Stacker's comment. So, talking about good diversification in precious metals. Well, what other way to diversify other than have one of each example? Gold. I would have, you're just getting bullion. If you like the American Eagles, if you like the Krugerrands, it doesn't really matter. Obviously, if you're just stack diversification, when I hear this, I think, you're long-term investing. You're trying to get it as cheap as you can, and you're never going to time the bottom of the market. You're never going to time it. So you just buy it, write down the date, how much you paid for it, and sock it away. So I would get an ounce of gold and just sock it away. Silver, American Eagles, there's generic silver rounds. If you're going to get premium silver, just the safest bet is going to be the American Eagles. A lot of the Perth Mint stuff, some dealers just pay silver, generic silver prices for. They may or may not honor a little bit more of a premium on that stuff. The Perth Mint is hit or miss, and my recommendation would be just a generic silver round, or get yourself the American Silver Eagles. Poured stuff, if you're buying poured stuff and paying premium on it, good luck getting it when you go to liquidate. Platinum. The Canadian Maple Leaf, there's a lot of platinum. The American Platinum Eagles, get an ounce of platinum. Some of the Canadian stuff is maybe a little bit lower mintage, but get yourself a platinum eagle or maple. Palladium. Canada, Canada has a lot, one of each this stuff. So I just always say it's easy to go to Canada. A lot of times the premiums are pretty low. Here's 9995, fine palladium 1 ounce. And if you look at the mintage, there's low mintage figures on it. People really don't pay attention to that. It's just 1 ounce. You again, diversifying your stack, trying to get it as cheap as you can. And here's rhodium. Here's a bared mint. It's in an assay holder. I actually came across one of these where the assay holder was damaged, and I guess somebody went to sell it to a dealer. The dealer cut it. They pulled the bar out. They scratched it, tested it, verified it, then wholesaled it, and now you've got a bar and a damaged assay holder. I would definitely avoid that. You want a nice, solid assay holder here. And do I recommend one company over another? I don't. You definitely want to purchase this from a reputable dealer, number one. Number two, make sure it's in a brand new, well-sealed assay holder. And as far as all of this stuff goes, you want to buy it when it's low. So you take a look at the historical charts, you take a look at what's going on in the world right now, and I would say probably now is the time to stay away from rhodium. It's up, and it's been up. Is it going to go higher? Who knows? But don't jump on the bandwagon. You want to get it when the prices are low, when they're at a discount, when the clearance sale is going on. And I'd have to say that is going on right now with platinum. Platinum's got a very good clearance sale. Silver, you're always picking it up here and there. You're trying to get it as cheap as you can. If you're getting the Eagles, yes, you can get the scuffy cull, maybe the colorized silver Eagles at a discount. A lot of people don't want that. So get yourself the BU examples, maybe get it by the roll. Just keep them in the roll. Don't take them out. Don't touch them. Don't breathe on them. Just keep them mint. A lot of times what I see is the original roll, you take it out, you touch the edges, and when you put it back, now if you're looking at the edge of the roll, it's got that green cap up on the top and clear on the side, but then there's toning on the edge of these coins, and guess what? That will bring the price down. Palladium's strong right now. I'm kind of 50-50 on palladium. If you can get it at a good price, I probably would say pass on palladium right now. Gold is a good price. You know, anything above, you know, it's hard to say. My opinion, I really don't think it's going to go below 1,000. I don't think it's going to go below $1,000. And, you know, everybody has their own opinion about gold, but I think if you're 11, 12, 1,300, you should be okay, especially right now with what's going on in the markets. But if you take a look at risk, and you're talking about stock is up. So the risk is higher and higher because the thought in the back of everybody's mind is, when is the bubble going to pop? So if that bubble does pop in stocks, a lot of the money will come into precious metals. So to have a little diversification, you know, I would recommend 1 of each ounce, put it in a box, put it in your safety deposit box, bury it in the backyard with a treasure map, forget about it, and don't touch it for 10 years. You know, write down the date that you have gathered this stuff, the price, and reference the stock market. You know, in 10 years, do that again and see. You might win, you might lose, but as far as right now today, I would avoid this rhodium. I'm wishy-washy, you know. I'm a little bit iffy on palladium. I think it's a little strong right now. I'm a strong buyer of, I would say, a strong recommendation of platinum and gold and silver as well. So these are my 3 winners right now. These, if you can get them right, get them and sock them away, but who knows what will happen in the market ahead. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the comment, and appreciate everybody's support with the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And the next video response, we'll pick somebody else out of this list. Thanks again. Take care. Bye.